Hey YouTube, Sean. Alright, I've been wanting a knurling tool for a while. I got this one off eBay. Alright, I don't have a knurling tool for my lathe. Alright, this one's a little big. So, we're going to adapt it with this piece here. We've got the bolts there. So we need to drill these holes and make a countersink for my cap screws. Yep. So let's do that and I'll be back. We'll show you when we're done. Alright folks, we got it done. It's on the lathe. We got our specimen set up. It's just some brass knobs, and I got a bring you in here. I got a chamfer on this side, in the middle, and on this side. And we got our knurling tool right here, and she's all set up. So we're gonna try it. I can't hold you guys and do this at the same time. So I'll bring you right back and we'll show you this final product. Alright? This is the first time for this lathe and the first time for this man. I've never run one of these. I know they need a lot of oil, so I need both hands, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright folks, sorry about the background noise. My furnace is running. It's very cold out here. But we got some knurling done. It's looking good. It's fine. I wanted the fine pitch knurling tool. I can get wheels for this. But I started out with the fine. I'll go to work my way up as I go. But I wanted to start out new to this project, or this tool. I want to start out with the fine one. And then I can go coarser. That's going to make some fine stuff right there. Oh yeah. Well, let's pull it out of here and take a look. Be right back. Alright folks, that's not bad for our first run. Not bad at all. I'm turning it in my hand here. Well, that's not too bad. I've never used one of these before. And I can get different wheels for different patterns, but yeah, I don't know if I can bring you in anymore. And make you see it any better. There you go. Well, that's not bad. I mean, that's the first run, guys. So there you go. We've got ourselves a knurling tool. Alright. The other one came out just the same way. It's just a little thinner. But it came out just fine. I'm liking it. I'm going to experiment more with this thing. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.